Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to browse the internet, internal server error with error code 500, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that Cloudflare error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to click onto your network connection here, and then you're going to go into change settings of this connection. Go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties. Click use the following DNS server addresses. Write here 8.8.8.8 and then write here 8.8.4.4. Click OK. Click OK here as well. And after that, disable your network device and wait for 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, enable it. Wait for it to connect. And once it's connected, you're going to open up your web browser and you'll try to go on to any website and you'll see it will work correctly. You will not get that Cloudflare error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.